Here we have the 3D printed side plate. It's a 3-pin connector for easy removal. I also have made these inserts for 3D printing, of course, and here we can see some of the light show, at least part of it. And by checking that, here we can see the frame as well is very well protected against mud and moisture. Yeah, some more lights. Here we can see my charging connector, GX16.
Charging connector.
Yeah, and I have to loop the motor cable around so that it fits, and the cover fits as well. Little gap here and there, but I will cover that with foam tape. Okay, well, first crash. Broke it off. It doesn't matter. I'm okay. And here. But nothing too serious, and otherwise the bike is handling fantastic. Yes. And now to the beginning in my living room, just planning out how to fit things with the controller and the battery. Of course, it was a nightmare at first. Doesn't know how to fit right. There was too many gaps and wasn't satisfied at all. So I had to change the case around and make a new print and so on. Of course, this real carbon here in the middle, the plates. Battery 16S 5P Samsung S50, well built. For the BMS on top was no space and I had it to put on the side. Double discharge wires, not so smart as I had not so much place for it, but it fits barely. Thanks for watching.